Today we are reviewing the one and only Sweet Sweat. Hi you guys, welcome back. My name is Liz. So today we are reviewing the Sweet Sweat belt. You guys have probably heard me talk about this thing. I reviewed it like maybe a few months ago. I'll link that video in the description box below, but I went through a bunch of waist trainers, fitness belts, and reviewed them based on comfort, quality, price, all of that. And you guys, I wanted to do an in-depth review of the Sweet Sweat because it's what I have been reaching for. I used to use like this old raggedy thing. You guys, I don't even know what brand this is, TKO. It's literally just a wrap that looks like this on the inside. This is what I used to use. I've been using like a sweat belt for a while now. It's nothing new to me. I've been using it for probably like 8-9 years, but I finally upgraded to the Sweet Sweat because I saw so many people using it, and you guys, it works amazing. Like, I've never sweat so much in my life. That's why my hair is like in braids, so I can just sweat like crazy and show you guys the results. But you guys, I kind of wanted to give you the details of how I wear this. So I partner it with my Honey Bull Hot Gel. It's kind of a mess because it's been seeping, but it is just this giant chapstick looking thing, and it's got active ingredients in it to make you sweat even more. So I got my sweat belt, and then I'm gonna insulate it with the hot gel. So again, it's just this big tube, and so I just put this all over my stomach before I go and work out. So I like to put it nice and snug on me. And then just roll my pants back up over. And now we are gonna go work out. So my workout today is just gonna be some cardio. It's gonna consist about 30 minutes, hopefully. 30 minutes on the stair stepper. You guys, that's harder than it seems. 30 minutes feels like an eternity on the stair stepper, but we're gonna do it. And you guys will motivate me my way through, and I will show you how crazy it is. When I take this off, you guys, dripping with sweat. You will see in a little bit. So yeah, that's all I do. And some people leave it on a little bit longer, like after they've worked out. You can leave it on a little bit longer to keep insulating your waist, but I take it off pretty much after my workout because like the sweat is dripping down from underneath the belt. It's just a lot. So I like to take it off and hop in the shower right away, but that's completely up to you. But I'd say the main benefits of wearing a sweat belt is just to insulate your waist and get you sweating around that problem region. And you know, we carry more fat in our stomach just because that's how Mother Nature is. So this is a way to help insulate that and get you sweating a little bit more, decrease that water weight, and burn a little bit more fat around the tummy. I'm just gonna keep it 110% real with you guys. If you think you're gonna lose weight from using this, that's not the case. You have to be in a calorie deficit. But what I will say is I think it has definitely slimmed down my stomach and made it have more of an hourglass appearance. So my hips sit out a little bit more and my stomach sits in a little bit more. I think it has definitely shaped my waist a little bit more by using this because it's insulating it, it's getting rid of that water weight, and I hope it's melting away some of that fat. I am no scientist, but this is what I have seen from my own results. I've been using this guy for like 5 months now. I've had it for a while, and so I have been loving it. I wear it every time I go do cardio. Even if I'm just like lifting or doing like a light workout, I still like to put it on because it does insulate and make me sweat more. I wouldn't say it's a necessity during weightlifting, but with cardio, I would definitely throw this baby on, and you will notice insane changes. You will just sweat that much more. So I definitely recommend pairing the Sweet Sweat belt with the Honey Bull Hot Gel. It's definitely given me my most intense results without doing any more work. You know, this is just my regular cardio routine, but it makes it that much more efficient, which I'm here for. The less cardio I can do, the better. So I definitely recommend that. Both of these products will be linked in my description box if you want to check them out. The Sweet Sweat belt was $21 on Amazon, and then the Honey Bull Hot Gel was somewhere around there as well, about $20. So super affordable. I highly recommend trying out this Sweet Sweat though, because at least trying it out. If you're not a fan of it, obviously return it, but I there's a reason you see so many girls wearing these, because it works. So you guys, I'm gonna head over to the gym, get on that stair stepper for 30 minutes, and I will show you guys my results after. As you guys just saw, like, I took that baby off and it was just a waterfall of sweat. I love working out in a sweet sweat belt, because even if I was doing 30 minutes on the stair stepper before, of course I would sweat, but when I'm wearing the sweet sweat belt, I sweat 10 times more. Like, no joke, it's actually crazy, and it's very noticeable, you know, when you take it off, there is a lot of sweat. So I personally love wearing it. I feel like it has defined my waist a lot more since I started wearing it. The extra insulation while I'm doing cardio, I feel like it's burning my fat and making my like stomach much more lean, much more hourglass, kind of like curved in a lot more. So I'm a huge fan of it. I can't recommend it enough. I've been working out with it for maybe like 4 or 5 months now, for quite a while, and it's the best sweat belt I have used, and I've used a ton, you guys. I've used some old weird ones, I've used some that are like double lined, I've used them all, so I highly recommend the Sweet Sweat one. It again was only $20, and it's a great addition to your workout just to enhance it that much more. So if you want to check out Sweet Sweat, it will be linked in the description box below, along with Honey Bowl Hot Gel. I love using them in combination. I feel like it maximizes my workout, and I also do have a 30-day free trial of Amazon Prime, so check out the reviews. Let me know if you guys have used Sweet Sweat in the past and how you liked it. I would be very curious to know what your guys' thoughts are, because honestly, I have seen noticeable results. I think it's working, you guys. I really like how my stomach is starting to look. It's a lot more defined in hourglass shape. Obviously, I still have some fat over the tummy, but you know, overall, it's giving me definitely an hourglass shape, whereas before I was definitely a little bit more square. So I'm a fan. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little review. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.